In this video, I will show you how to use Sweatcoin and earn money. So to get started, go ahead and open the Sweatcoin app on your device and sign in into your account. So as you can see in here at the homepage of your Sweatcoin, you'll be able to keep track of your steps that you've done for today, and each of these steps are equivalent to a Sweatcoin. Under the shop section, you'll be able to find other ways to earn Sweatcoin on the platform. You can either open these articles and read them for a couple of Sweatcoins, or visit a specific e-commerce page to earn a couple of Sweatcoin. Using the Sweatcoins, you can buy gift cards. These gift cards can be used on the different application that you have on your device. So as you can see in here, to be able to buy $3 gift card, you need to have a 500 Sweatcoin. And take note that this amount of Sweatcoin can take much time to be earned on the platform. But this gift card can be used on the different apps that you have, such as for subscription purposes or buying things on the app that you like. There are also other gift cards amount that you can buy on the platform. The highest gift card amount that you can buy is a $15 gift card for 2,000 Sweatcoin. Although this might take a while, if you have thousands or up to 10,000 of steps daily, buying this gift cards is not impossible. You can also earn more Sweatcoins by inviting your friends to use Sweatcoin. And if you have invited 20 friends on the platform and that friends has been using Sweatcoin, then you can unlock the influencer hub on Sweatcoin. Under the rewards section, you can actually find more ways to earn Sweatcoins, join some raffles available on Sweatcoin. And that is how you can simply use Sweatcoin and earn money on Sweatcoin. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.